In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, complete shutdown will be observed tomorrow to mark the 38th martyrdom anniversary of prominent Kashmiri liberation leader Maqbool Bhat. Call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Sada-e Bhat, Mirwais Umar Farooq and Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front. India had hanged Maqbool Bhat in New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail on 11th February 1984 for his leading role in the Kashmir's ongoing freedom movement and buried him in the premises of the jail. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement in Srinagar, said that people of Jammu and Kashmir were indebted to the great sacrifices of the freedom icon Shaheed Maqbool Bhat and take pledge to carry his sacred mission to its logical conclusion. Other APHC leaders, including Javed Ahmed Mir, Mahmood Ahmed Sagar and Abdul Samad Inqalabi, maintained that the martyrs are the real asset of the Kashmiris' freedom struggle against India. Meanwhile, posters were displayed in Srinagar and other parts of the occupied territory, urging people to hold prayer meetings for the Kashmiri martyrs, including Maqbool Bhat and Muhammad Afzal Guru, after Friday prayers tomorrow. London-based University School of Oriental and African Studies has raised its strong concern over the arrest of noted Kashmiri journalist Fahad Shah. In a statement, the university described his arrest as an attack on press freedom and called for his immediate release. People held a mass protest in Ranbir Singhpora area of Jammu region against merger of Suchitgarh constituency into RS-Pora in the Delimitation Commission draft report. The protest was held under the leadership of Chaudhry Mohan Singh Samodra. Speakers on the occasion criticized the BJP-led Indian government for pursuing anti-poor agenda to protect the interests of big corporate houses. The outrage and resentment over a ban on wearing of hijab at schools in Indian state of Karnataka is spreading not just in India itself but abroad as well. In spite of protesters, Karnataka government has declared a 3-day holiday for all educational institutions. Former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav, strongly criticizing Narendra Modi over the situation arising from hijab ban, has warned that India is heading towards a civil war under Modi-led BJP government. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi, using hashtag Ladki Hoon Lad Sakti Hoon, has strongly reacted to the heckling of lone hijab-wearing Muslim girl by Hindu extremists in a Karnataka college and termed the act as violation of constitutional right. Indian charge d'affaires in Islamabad was summoned to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, conveying Pakistan's grave concern and condemnation on the deeply reprehensible act of banning Muslim girl students from wearing hijab in the Indian state of Karnataka.